Meeting between President Ramnath Kovind and Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin gets over. Apart from inviting the President to Tamil Nadu for opening the portrait of DMK Supremo Karunanidhi inside the Assembly, he has submitted a memorandum related to NEET, to Mekadetu Dam and on the 7 Rajiv Gandhi convicts. Okay, so here are the issues that the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is likely to approach the President with in terms of a memorandum that has already been submitted. The NEET issue, the Mekadetu Dam and also the issue of Rajiv Gandhi convicts, all of this reflected in a memorandum submitted by M.K. Stalin to the President of India. Mugilan joining us with more inputs. Yes, Mugilan, over to you for the details on this meeting that the Tamil Nadu CM held with the President of India.
Today, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin met President Ramnath Kovind in New Delhi, and more importantly, this was to invite him for the centenary celebrations of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly and to unveil a portrait of Karunanidhi in the next assembly session. And apart from that, several issues, the memorandum with several issues like Meghatatu, NEET and the release of 7 Rajiv Gandhi convicts also is being given to the President is what we could hear from our sources here in Tamil Nadu government, because the consent of the President in the issues related to the resolutions passed by the Tamil Nadu is more important, and that is why these issues were taken up with the President is what we are hearing. And right after the meet with the President, while addressing the media in Delhi, the Chief Minister once again stated there is no scope for talks with Karnataka over Meghatatu issue. He has also stated that the Prime Minister and the Jal Shakti Ministry have also already given an assurance that the permission for the Meghatatu issue to the Karnataka will not be given without the consent from the lower riparian state. So after meeting the President today, the Chief Minister has once again confirmed that there will be no dialogues with the Karnataka in regard with the Meghatatu issue.
All right, thanks for joining us with the latest inputs, Mukul.